Hello everyone, I'm Esther from Manage Engine, and in this video we're going to be talking about Agent Tesla. Agent Tesla, which is a threat to Windows users, is part of a remote access trojan, malware, that has been active for about 7 years. This malware is used to steal user credentials and other information from victims through screenshots, keyboard logging, and clipboard capture. The Agent Tesla malware has been observed in a lot of spear phishing campaigns in multiple different industries, including logistics, finance, and government. So, this agent malware actually is spread primarily through phishing campaigns. And we've seen how this works in other videos that we talk about different malware and how it affects other organizations. So, after the initial access is achieved through phishing, it gains access to a system in the network and uses various techniques to hide its presence. It achieves this by the usage of uh, multiple layers packing and obfuscation to avoid detection. This poses a problem for signature-based detection systems that don't spot this malware, as its core functionality is only revealed after the initial infection is set. This core functionality is then unpacked, leading Agent Tesla to search through browsers like Google Chrome and Firefox installed on systems and extract login credentials from them. It can also capture keystroking and screenshots. These stolen credentials and other resources enable the attacker to gain access to user accounts by compromising them. So, how can you protect your environment against Agent Tesla? Agent Tesla allows attackers to take over legitimate corporate accounts. Monitoring users and entities for anomalous behavior can enable an organization to identify potentially compromised user accounts in your network. For this, a SIM solution with user and entity behavior analytics can spot anomalous behavior on your network, and this is recommended to spot insider threats as well. We also discussed how the malware packs itself in multiple layers. This means during the attack, it unpacks itself through multiple stages on the infected device. Again, a SIM solution can also identify and terminate a malware infection once it reveals itself. This ensures that your network is protected against sophisticated malware families like Agent Tesla. Thank you.